Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix not working on your Hisense TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the Netflix app, but it's not working. How do you actually go ahead and fix it? Now, I recently ran into this issue myself, and the first thing that you can do is that you could actually unplug your Hisense TV, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, and then replug it back in. Check and see if that works. The other thing that you can do is that if you go into your quick settings right over here, then go into where it says Wi-Fi. Just make sure that you're actually connected to the Wi-Fi on your Hisense TV. Now, the other thing that you can do is that if you go into your Netflix app, then press and hold the OK button, then click on View Details, which is right over here. You could actually uninstall and reinstall the app. In addition, you could actually also make sure that the app is updated. Sometimes an outdated app may make it so that it doesn't work in your Hisense TV. And once you reinstall the app, see if that works. Now, as a last resort, last resort, you could also go into quick settings, go into all settings in the upper right hand corner. And then from here, you could actually go into system, then scroll down and then click on restart. So this is going to restart your Hisense TV and you can check and see if that helps fix Netflix not working on your Hisense TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix Netflix not working on your Hisense TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.